Baba, Yabonga, thank you for this moment. Thank you for this breath. I come before you, not because I have to, but because I cannot help myself. Your love, it draws me. So today, I cry out. In the quiet of the morning, when the world is still asleep, I hear your voice so softly calling, and my heart begins to weep. Not with sorrow, but with wonder, that a king would call my name, that the God of all creation would still love me just the same. And I lift my hands in surrender. I lay it all at your feet, for there's no one else like you, Father. No other love so complete. Ngivuselele Baba, wake me up. I don't wanna sleep through your glory. Ngivuselele Baba, Ngivuselele, fill my cup. Let my life tell your story. I am yours and you are mine, forever and always, till the end of time. Ngivuselele Baba, hear my cry. Let me worship you until I die. When the storm is raging round me and the waves begin to rise, I remember all you've done for me. The tears I've cried, you've dried my eyes. You are faithful, you are able, you are everything I need. In the valley, on the mountain, you're the God who sets me free. So I lift my hands in surrender. Ngivuselele Baba. I'm awake now. I'm alive now. Oh, because of you. Amen. 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 Amen.